Hello everyone. Today is day one of Leetcode 75 challenge. Let's begin with the first question. Problem 1768. Merge strings alternately. The level of the question is easy. So let's go to the PPT and look at the summary of the problem. So you are given two strings, word 1 and word 2. Now you need to merge the two strings by taking one letter from alternating orders from word 1 and word 2. Now if you start with word 1, then take the letter from the word 2 and repeat. If one string is longer than the other, then we need to append the remaining letters to the result after merging the common length. And then finally, we will return the merged string. The constraints are word 1 and word 2 is between 1 and 100, which means that the word 1 length and word 2 length will be between 1 and 100. Both word 1 and word 2 will contain only lowercase English letters. Now let's go with the input output explanation. Word 1 ABC, word 2 PQR. We will take the first letter from word 1 A. Then we will take the first letter from word 2 which is P, right? So it will become A, then P. Then we will take the second letter from word 1 B. Then we will take the second letter from word 2 which is Q. And similarly we will keep on going on. And after that the resulted string will be A, P, B, Q, C, R. Now what will be the intuition of the question? We need to merge two strings by picking characters alternately from word 1 and word 2. If one of the string is longer, then we need to append the remaining characters at the end of the longer string. Now let's look at the approach of the problem. First, we will take a result string, empty string, to store the result of our problem, right? Which is a finally merged string. Then we will try to take the length of the word 1 and word 2. And after that, we will try to run a loop that will be the maximum of the length 1 or length 2 of the words. Because whichever length will be greater, we have to run the loop till that point so that we can cover all the characters of the words. Now, the step 4 would be adding the characters from word 1. Step 5 will be adding the characters from word 2 if available, right? So, if the length of I, or we can say while I is less than length 1, we will keep on adding the word in the result from word 1. Then we will come here, then we will add from this, and similarly, then we will come here and we will add from here, and then we will add from the word step 5. Coming to the code, and the code is exactly the same as the approach explained. We will be taking an empty string, we will be taking the length, and we will be taking the range of maximum of length 1 and length 2, and finally we will return the result. The time complexity for this code would be O of n, since we are running maximum length of any of the one word, which is n, and space complexity will be O of n, since we are storing the string here. Now let's see the dry run of the problem. We are given ABC and PQR, word 1 and word 2. We will take out the lengths of word 1 and word 2 as discussed earlier. And what we will do, we will take first character from word 1, which is A. We will append it to the result. Okay. Then from word 2, we will check whether the I is less than length 2. And if it is, we will take the length, which is, we will take the character which is P, and we will append here. Similarly, again, we will check for word 1. And if we get B, then we will check for word 2, which is Q. And similarly, it will keep on going. And if any of the string is longer than the word 1 or word 2, then at the end we will add complete string to the resultant. The final output will be APVQCR. Now let's look at the solution in the Leetcode. So first we will declare an empty string result, and we will length 1 to store the length of the word 1, and we will have length 2 store the length of the word 2. And we will have a range I in range maximum of length 1 comma length 2. If length of, if I is less than length of 1, result will be adding the word 1 I. If I is less than length 2, we will add character from the word 2. Then we will return the result. Okay, there has been an indentation issue. Let's fix that. Let's try again. So yeah, so you can see that all the test cases have been passed. Now let's submit the solution. So the solution has been accepted. This is the runtime complexity. For reference, the code is available in my GitHub repo. Thank you, everyone.